Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to see part two. I know April's voice has changed quite a bit because you're hearing me, but you're seeing her. And I'm sure she's got a lot of insightful things that she's saying right now, but essentially what we're doing is we're finishing up the floor that we started on in the first part of this video. If you want to fast forward toward the end and you can see what the nails look like from Tremont Nail Company and how they look in the wood, and you can see that the pattern we made and how we left the nail heads raised just for aesthetics. But we do appreciate you watching, and we just kind of sped this up because our commentary will be missing from the video. So anyway, enjoy, and if you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Hey, so right here we're doing the last board, and anybody that's ever laid hardwood, you'll know that the first and the last boards are always the hardest. And we have an edge that just drops off. There's no wall there, and so we're trying to pry the board. And you can see that April's is helping me quite a bit on this because we're trying to just pull the board back and make sure that we've got everything squared up. So when we build the wall, everything from the downstairs will look nice and there won't be any bows in the wall because the floor is sticking out. So definitely had a problem spot back there in that back corner because she helped me quite a bit back there. But so we get the board tied in nice and tight so we don't have a big gap, and then we get this thing wrapped up. So this is what I really liked about these nails. You can see that we laid them in a pattern. We've got nice straight lines, and you can tell that when you look close up that the nail heads are raised, and they just give a really unique aesthetic. And again, these are from Tremont Nail Company. They're made in Massachusetts. They've been handmade for years and years. And again, April is closing us out with some beautiful comments. But thanks again. Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys have a blessed day.